What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? We have a customer string trimmer here. She said all it will do, smells like it's flooded to me, is start and run, die, and then it won't start back up. So we are going to see what it'll do. Good on oil, although it looks a little thin. Let's see what it'll do. Pretty sure you guys saw what happened, right? No air filters, gasoline soaked, so when you put it on there, it runs extra rich, loads up, and that black smoke from running rich must be what she's talking about when she said it starts smoking. Well, that's an easy fix, but first we need to figure out why this is covered in gas, right? So let's get that carburetor. I'll pull that float bowl. We'll check that float, make sure nothing's hung up in there, but it seems to run fine without this. Alright, you beautiful people. What do you say we just buzz it off of here real quick and have a gander? Might be, I'm gonna say might be a little faster than wrestling with that bow. I don't know. Like I said, it might. But might not. Hold on. No tire. Big ass wheel kind of in the way. We know it's getting fuel, don't we? Let's see, run. Thing about this job, you know, is this customer lives 20 something miles away, so I don't, if it was here in town, somebody I knew real well, you know, I wouldn't be afraid to let that filter dry out, send it with them. You know, just letting them know that should anything happen, don't hesitate to bring it right back. But come on, what is going on? That's gone. I don't think that's necessary. And yeah, back to what I was saying anyway, somebody that's out of town, you know, I do charge a delivery, a pickup and delivery fee, so it just makes more sense to take those extra steps, you know. You know, I understand that not everybody's got the ability to load something up and haul it around, so that's why I offer it. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to get rid of all this garbage. Alright. Yeah, that probably wasn't going to happen without removing the fuel tank. Let me get another couple of rags over here and I'll just dump this gas into this air filter cover. Oh, right there, be fine. Well, let's try it this way. Well, that was easy. Clean as a whistle. Put that back together. There ain't a dang thing wrong in there. I don't know if you can see. No, not really. Kind of. Yeah, there ain't a damn thing wrong inside there, so put her back. I don't know if she was filling it with gas and did something wrong or had it, I don't know. She did something wrong. There we go. All right. Uh-oh. We got gaskets. What is going on? Here we go. Finally. Alright. Put these back on, and I think that's what, I'm going to change oil in it, and yeah, be done. Let that filter dry out real good. See if I have one. If I do, I'll just put a new one on it. Come here, fuel tank. Not the wisest or the smartest move I've made today is putting that back on before the fuel line. They don't make all of these vent lines and stuff super easy to mess with, I tell you what. Okay. There we go. Jump out. I always want to make sure that everything's on there good so we don't have any air leaks. All I got to do now is let this thing back down, let it warm up good, and then I'm going to change that oil, and we'll be done with this one. So I appreciate y'all joining in, like and sub, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.